This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your MetaMask to your Ronin wallet on Android. First, ensure you have both the MetaMask and Ronin wallet applications installed on your device. This guide will walk you through importing your MetaMask account directly into your Ronin wallet, allowing you to manage your assets and interact with the Ronin network seamlessly from one application. It's a straightforward process that enhances your decentralized experience. Before we begin the import, you'll need to retrieve your MetaMask secret recovery phrase or private key. Open your MetaMask application on your Android device and log in. Navigate to your account settings to find the option to reveal your secret recovery phrase or export your private key. Remember, this information is highly sensitive, so copy it precisely and keep it absolutely private. Do not share it with anyone. Now, open your Ronin wallet application on your Android phone. On the welcome screen, or within the settings, if you already have a Ronin wallet, look for the Import Your Wallet option. Choose to import using a secret recovery phrase or private key. Carefully paste the information you copied from MetaMask into the designated field. Follow any on-screen prompts to set up a new password for your imported Ronin account. Once imported, check your Ronin wallet to confirm that your MetaMask account and its associated assets are now visible. You've successfully connected them. Always prioritize the security of your recovery phrases and private keys. Never share them. For more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. This integration allows you to manage your digital assets efficiently across both platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.